I meant to mention when you were asking like what works, one of the things that works really well is that our skills are just improving by leaps and bounds.
Sure.
Hoop house construction, feel like we've really almost mastered that. Solar, we're getting pretty good at. I can do basic plumbing and electrical work. Our construction is getting really, I do it with my boys mostly, and we
That's
throw up
awesome.
we threw up a run-in shelter in a day and a half. It's 12 by 8 on 4 by 4 skids. It's sturdy enough to drag around the pasture with the tractor, and just stuff like that. It's hard to put a price on that, even though from a business perspective, well, from a business perspective, it's actually not a bad deal. But what I mean is, like, regardless of whether it worked out from a business perspective, the education my kids are getting it's just phenomenal.
Well, I'd have to say, so what I was trying to lead into was that if you're looking at it financially, you don't like learning how to do it yourself. You're going to be in the red at first, but if something goes wrong, you're comfortable with that system. Like I was specifically thinking about the solar array. Okay, why is this not working? Oh, we discharged the batteries too deep. How do I know that? Because I've checked all these other things. I've built the thing. I understand that up until this point, it all works. This is my problem. So, like, I mean, you're just comfortable with it. Like I added, sorry, I'm pointing over here because it's on the other side of this wall. Like a water filter setup for my house. I have very, very high iron content.
Okay.
And so I wanted to get comfortable with plumbing. I'm like, whatever, people do this all the time. And so like I bought the tools and I learned how to do it, and like didn't have any leaks. And I was like, sweet. So I went like a step further and added blah, 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 doing this, doing that. So like I was learning plumbing, and I'm already an electrician by trade. So like, what else can I learn? What tools and like knowledge can I keep on like in my back pocket at all times? So no, that's awesome that you're teaching your kids that. I hope to take my son there as well.
Yeah.
So.